a step-by-step guide on what to do when being followed by someone on the street. In today's generation where evil people are on the loose, it is not wrong to be on our guard at all times, especially when we are alone outside our home. It is inevitable that we sometimes come home late because of the amount of work or schoolwork. But what if one day, while you're walking towards home, you notice someone following you, and every time he notices that you see him, he pretends to not follow you? What would you do then? Should you run home or call the police? Can you even imagine if this would happen to you? Oh, it's scary, isn't it? Hey guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Thanks to all of our subscribers. And for those who haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and the notification bell to keep you updated on all the videos I will be uploading. For today's episode, we will talk about something that can help you when you are followed by someone you don't know on the street. Step 1. Make sure you're being followed. It's actually difficult to accuse someone easily because it is possible that you may just have the same way to go. Check if his face is familiar to you. If not, try to change your direction, but do not go far with many people. When he also does what you do, or he still follows you, then you can be sure that he is really following you. Step 2. Don't panic, and don't be obvious that you are nervous. Pretend that you are not afraid of him, but let him know you are aware that he is following you. Walk with confidence. Show him that you will fight back if ever he does something bad to you. Stay alert and observe what things he can do to you. Step 3. Go to crowded places when someone's following you. It's best to go to a crowded place. Aside from the fact that they will serve as a witness when he does something wrong to you, they will not hesitate to help you when they find out that the person is following you. When that person realizes that you know what to do, he may give up on his bad plan for you. Step 4. Go somewhere public and with a camera. It would be helpful if you were stationed in a public place with a CCTV camera, because in case that people did not notice what he looks like, you would see him on camera. You can also add this as a proof when you report him to the police. Step 5. If that person continues to follow you and you feel that something is wrong, then grab the attention of the public. Cry out loud. Tell the surrounding people that someone is planning to do something wrong to you. Tell them exactly who the person is. Point him out in the crowd. In this way, people around you will also be alert, and they will protect you from whatever harm that person can do to you. Step 6. Call the authorities or ask someone to do it for you. It is not enough that people know that someone is planning to do them wrong. Once a person is cornered by a crowd, immediately call and inform the police to arrest him and take legal actions against him. They will also provide you with the right opportunity to call your family to let them know what happened. At this time, they can easily know where they will go pick you up and decide what legal actions to do about the person who just followed you. It is inevitable that such a thing will happen once in our life, so you have to be very careful. As much as possible, don't go home too late at night, or at least avoid walking in dark places where there are only a few people passing by. Always join a group if you have the same destination. But if that happened to you alone, then don't hesitate to do the steps that I just shared. That's all for today. I hope you learned a new life skill in this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to keep you updated whenever I upload videos like this. Thank you for watching.